Hi, my name is Austin Arps. I work at L&L Farms. This is my 8th year on the farm here. We farm in Fulton and Henry counties, but the majority of our farming is done in Fulton County. We farm corn, soybeans, and now barley this year.
And I'm Eric Richer, the Extension Educator for Agriculture and Natural Resources here in Fulton County in the northwest corner of the state.
We do several trials here in the farm, one of which being a phosphorus starter rate trial. We did a 0-pound rate and a 28-pound rate. Basically, we're just covering whether it's in maintenance or not, whether we even need starter fertilizer. If we don't need to put starter phosphorus on, benefit us to not do that. So we're basically trying it out over several different test plots over the years, whether or not it benefits us to put on starter phosphorus or not.
The major mid-season measurement that we'll be taking as the corn comes into its reproductive stages is leaf tissue samples, and so we'll be pulling the ear leaf sample, or the ear leaf sample to evaluate it for phosphorus levels, among other things.
Based on the leaf tissue samples that we took in season, the phosphorus concentrations in the ear leaf were in sufficient ranges.
For each of the years in the study, our soil test phosphorus levels were 49, 35, and 51 parts per million Malic. We wanted to know if it benefits us or not to put starter phosphorus fertilizer on at planting. Take a look at the data. We've only seen a yield difference in 1 out of the 6 sites, and that was in only one variety at that site, and the soil was nearing the low end of the phosphorus maintenance range. In 2018, we actually added a site-specific injection system on our planter to only apply phosphorus when the soil is below the critical level. So on the planter, we can keep track of how much fertilizer is put on, where it's put on at, and what seeds are there. And then at harvest, the combine gathers the yield data, and you can tell if there's no yield correlation between where the phosphorus was turned on or off. If we take care of the soils and keep them in the maintenance range, the crop will use the phosphorus that's there. While we can't eliminate starter phosphorus forever, what we have learned from this trial is that we can greatly reduce or eliminate our phosphorus for soils in the peak maintenance range of 28 to 46 parts per million Malic. Because of this research study with OSU Extension and Eric Richer in Fulton County, we have reduced our phosphorus use by 70%. Applying this research has resulted in good economics for our farm and is good for water quality in Lake Erie.